今集我哋會由露營車頂玩到車底。
Here will be later our full station. I'm finishing the heating system here under the car.
你好，我哋係港德製之二人
konGTak selfmade. With sliding doors, I can show you that. Welcome in our sleeping cabin. Hi guys, today we will make the solar panels on the top. I have cleaned it, I polished it one more time so everything is alright. And now I will start to place the solar panels and then we stick the holder.
記得一定要將表面清潔乾淨，唔要有任何矽膠物料同埋油脂。之後我哋需要將表面打磨。喺搽上密封膠水之前，要確保表面係無塵狀態。要搽上足夠厚度嘅密封膠水，令到車頂同埋支架之間最少要有3毫米嘅距離。之後可以用刮刀或者壓蝕板將多餘嘅密封膠水刮走。我哋需要24個鐘令密封膠水乾透，如果要揸車就要留意返啦。當密封膠水完全硬化之後，可以將太陽能板放上，然後用自攻螺絲固定位置。
Now, after installing holder spoiler for the solar panels, we will install cable channel to go inside, and we will place it here on it, and then we will go with the cable inside here in the car and then to our electric system. With a hole cutter, a hole was cut in the outer surface of the vehicle roof to put through wire of the solar panel. This aluminium L-shaped profile was fixed with screws to straighten the two solar panels.
Du bist an der Seitenwand rausgekommen. Hey, passt, wunderbar.
We make the hole for the heating system. This will be our flange where the heater will be installed later on the edge, protected, and this will help to prevent the corrosion going ahead in the metal and damage the car. Now we can see if it's matched for the heating machine socket. Last time testing, perfectly matched. And now we will fix the floor after isolating with some screws here to have our floor ready. The heating system is a diesel heating 2 kW. This is a gasoline extractor with the pipe going under the car.
What are you doing?
I'm finishing the heating system here under the car. All installation now done. If you don't know what to do, you should really go to a professional because this is to make it correct and no risk. Here's a vehicle tank and the white pipe leads the diesel through the filter, which is moved by the pump and to pump diesel all the way to the heater. This is the electric wire for the pump, which goes back into the car. This is the white gasoline pipe. The black isolated pipe is for the exhausting wasted gas. This plastic pipe is for fresh air comes from the filter. Air filter for fresh air inlet to operate the heating system. You can see here the exhausting pipe and the system silencer. So, finish. Let's hope everything holds and we can use our heating system. Yay! Here to put the empty tube in the car so we can run the wire for a little bit protection also in the tube. Here will be later our full station of the electric control system will be here in this area, so all this wire going down through here on the bottom along all the way to our power system, which I will show you later then. Safety first, especially the installation of electricity, which must be planned and executed professionally. We thank very much to our friend Marco.
左邊藍色呢個係電池充電器，可以插入230W插座。右邊藍色呢個係太陽能充電器。呢兩個係100Ah， 即係100安培小時嘅鋰電池。中間白色呢個係充電升壓器，由發電機為電池充電。右邊呢個係變壓器，由12W去到230W。
I show you now how the heating system works and starts, and now we have the best condition for that because it's really cold and even snowing. Here is the panel. You have a few functions you can turn on and start the heating system, and then you can choose how high. We go now the highest. You have here different options. You can program it for your days and timing when the machine should start. From the heating system, all the wiring goes here into the black beam, which we covered now with armor flex too, and goes in here in the back to the heating machine. Now you can hear the heater running. Here the air will be sucked in, warm up, and then distributed through this yellow pipe. Here is one pipe which comes from the heater and will be distribute the warm air into the living area. One warm air outlet will distribute later the warm air into the kitchen and bathroom. We hope you like our video. If you have any comment or questions, please leave us a message below. If you like it, please subscribe and follow our channel. Thank you very much. Cover for the toilet. Shower tray made out of glass fiber.